Usumbot mentri ramba jylla ba snyo phalang dar men tak sni la yar sheklian East Jaintil district ha ka bala plong ka jinglang makarpang a conference hall office deputy commissioner a khlieh le lang ru deputy commissioner ka East Jaintil Hills district Ushivan Chawasti IAS Superintendent of Police East Jaintil district Giri Prasad IPS udaloy jong ki ilaka narpo uba manbha kendo ki he sorkar ki banapo ka district lambat ki riew ki bana shnong Baikam ka shnong ka baha khapot bat ka baha hapoh ka jylla Assam. Habakranch ki pathai khubor usembot mentri rangba uba snyo phalangdar ula penpa bat ong baki nongsynshar jong ka Baikam ki juyo katu kat neteli ki scheme na ka sorkar Meghalaya bat ki yo ru ki scheme na ka sorkar Assam ula khubor ru baki nongsynshar ka Baikam kim kwa ban hap sha Assam bat halor kani ansan nangdon shushu ki jingilang bat ongru ba khandai pasan kandon kalat baka shnong Baikam kan wan hapnoh hapoh ka jylla Meghalaya. Kuman shuben ram ka shnong Baikam kade ka shnong basyong basa ki jatban riew khasi panar ki ba em da ka rep karyang sha ki bri ki Lyngba la sngoto bahadin ke jingjurep ni survey jong ka sorkar padeng house nam 8,000 arpulai bat ha ka jingisoy ya ka MOU hapadeng ka sorkar Meghalaya bat ka sorkar Assam la shembak shnong Baikam ka klam hap shu hapoh ka jylla Meghalaya bat hapnoh hapoh ka jinkmi ka sorkar Assam hadin ka ni ki nongsynshar jong ka shnong Baikam naduh usnam 8,000 arpulai kila pha da ka jingtho shu sembot mentri rangba ka jylla Meghalaya akaba kila jupan pauru baki kwa baka shnong Baikam kan hapnoh hapoh ka jinkmi ka sorkar Meghalaya.
Thank you. Actually, today we are having again a small review on this border issues about this Ratachara village. Particularly, there is one village which is called Baikam, which is we haven't discussed it yet in the first phase of settlement issues. So today we had a review again. So we called the people from the village Baikam village, and so everything is okay because the village of Baikam, they have 37 houses and 30 of them they want to be a part of Meghalaya. That is the only village left in the first phase. So today more or less the meeting is very positive from our side. I'm the chairman of the regional committee from this side. So we are yet to take a call, one more meeting at the level of DC with the counterpart, and then they will take a final call, both of them, so that they will submit report to the state government. We will take a call with both the counterpart of the regional committee. Only Baikam village is left. Because in the agreement, when we signed the agreement in the first phase, nobody informed us about this village. And later on the village come and request me. So we also please include us in Meghalaya. So that's why we came again. So more or less it was very clear that from the people of Baikam, clearly they want to be a part of Meghalaya. And which we are also in the same page with them. They enjoy some scheme from us, and it seems they enjoy some scheme from Assam also. So they didn't tell us specific scheme, but that's why we have to discuss on this. We are yet to take a final call. Only then, after taking a final decision, whether it will be a part to Assam or will be a part of Meghalaya, and then we will system it accordingly like the other boundary village.
Is there any development schemes for them from government side of Assam?
Is there, but record is not with me exactly. So previously they have given the list of development with us, and yes, there are few schemes from Assam also, and that is one of the reasons. So we need to discuss both the counterpart. We'll take a final call on this part. No, exactly. They have given in writing also. Yeah, from 37. Even previous when after we signed the first agreement in the first phase, so they submit me the list of household also. Sometime around 8-9 months back, I think. I'm not correctly remember the number of months and days. So from 37 house, they signed that 30 house they want to be a part of Meghalaya. And at the same time, mostly all of them are our people only. And more or less, I think it will go in that direction only. I think 99%. So we are trying to close this discussion maybe within this year itself. So we'll try at the earliest possible. So I leave to DC. He will have a meeting with a joint meeting with the other counterpart. Then they will take a final call and they will submit a report to the committee and we will submit to the state government. So the government will take a decision. As of now, you see Ratachara actually is very safe in the whole village. Even previously, there is no fighting. There is no disturbance. Both Assam they live very happily there.
No. I think it is on little bit far away from.
Little bit far away, not very
So
close.
this is much closer with us. With
Assam.
Assam. Yeah. And there is no disturbance right from the beginning. Ratachara is very peaceful area, friendly speaking, even from Assam side, even from Meghalaya, till today. So because we are yet to finalize this first phase, so if there is any discussion required from the village, we have to listen to our own people and we have to listen to the grievances. And the grievances is very clear, they want to be a part of Meghalaya only.
No, so it depends on what particular issue they come. If it is in our hand to resolve their issues, we try to resolve as much as possible. And right now, as you know, that it is the situation is not pretty clear. That is why we are having this meeting at the first place. So hopefully, when this issue is resolved soon, like all other issues have been resolved, then we will be more clear about extending all benefits, all schemes to them in coming future. So that is what the vision with which we are working towards, so that we can solve this issue once for all. So just after signing of MOU. In month of 2020, in the year of 2023, when Survey of India was going there for survey, so that time Baikam village recognized that they were left out from that MOU. Since that time, they have been writing petition not just to our office but to the office of Honorable Deputy CM also. And after that, there was one coordination meeting also that was held between DC of East Jaintia Hills and DC Kachar. That time only after that they gave a report also as informed, as told by our Honorable Deputy CM also, where 30 of them they said that they want to join. So after that, it was decided in that meeting that from Assam side also they will prepare their own reports and we will then jointly meet to find a final conclusion. So that meeting is still left and pending. So within next 7 to 10 days, we will have that meeting so that we can submit our final report.
Iwan sini mentaga shnong se iwa chonga khubor Assam Meghalaya Iwan hanu mentaga te ba em gate ke jingip se mi ba ite Iwan ni mentai te ba phakut video isini ba chemong bagi he ba ne te Iwan sini se chemaki gamno ipan ba te chonga sa yok I iwa to wasai chapo Assam ikwa upsia chapo Meghalaya nagate daw to iwa chem jing reu chonga po Assam wada khar ginong be em snau tho I kalam I khana naga ten naga korom lem em snau tho bere nda ite I gijai penar ikwa upsia chani he po riyong I he mayo di emlat I bo urung upsia chani ri Meghalaya yong I se nagate daw iwa iwan di sini